Hi everybody, welcome back to Genotopia. Well, today I am doing a little cleaning around the house, and I noticed that my husband had spilled a tea on the bed, so I'm trying to get it off. Now, I had looked on the internet on ways to clean your mattress, and I found a solution that calls for 3 tablespoons of baking soda, 1 cup of hydrogen peroxide, and 1 drop of Blue Dawn dish detergent. So I had spilled a coffee on my side of the bed, and as you can see, it came clean. Now this is my husband's side of the bed where he spilled the tea, and I've started working on it, but I thought I would share this with you. So I've got this mixed up. It will not spray out of my sprayer, so I'm having to pour it on a paper towel and rubbing it on the spot. So let me start working on a spot and let you see how well this works. I'm just working right here on this spot, right here. And you can see that it is already lifting that stain. You can see just a little bit of residue on the paper towel, but you can see on the mattress where it has started removing the stains. So let's do a little bit more. Normally I just sprinkle baking soda on my bed 2 or 3 times a year and let it sit for about an hour and vacuum it off, just to, to freshen up my mattress. But I knew I had spilled a cup of coffee or half a cup of coffee in my bed, and that he had spilled his tea, and I thought, well, this is a good time while I'm washing the sheets and the mattress pad, which I'd had a mattress pad on here before which was leak resistant, which I really wish I had spent another $100 and bought another one. But you can see how well this is working. Now, I'm not going to keep you here while I clean the whole mattress, and since I don't do editing, I will take a picture of this after I clean it, and I will show you at the end of this video. But I just wanted you to see how well this is working. And I guess if you wanted to, you could just go all over your whole bed with this to kind of freshen the scent, but you can really see how well that stain is coming out of the mattress. Let's go over here and do just a little bit. Now, the lady that I got this recipe from, and I'm not sure what her name was, I need to look her back up and connect her video. She went over her mattress twice because she said that it didn't get the stain out as well as she wanted, but she was cleaning out urine stains, not tea and coffee stains. So I guess she was also working on scent. This is a latex mattress. She didn't say what kind of mattress she was cleaning, but this is a latex mattress. But you can see how well that is cleaning that stain. I wanted to share that with you. I'm changing up my channel a little bit this year, and I need to do a video and tell you what's going on. But anyway, I wanted to share the mattress cleaning tip with you, since I had cleaned the coffee out and it did such a great job getting that out of the mattress. I'm sure some of you with toddlers would want to know this when you're cleaning up boo-boos and little stains. But anyway, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Where's my camera? Give me a thumbs up and a share. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Be sure to hit the little notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. And yes, I'm out of breath because it's so hot in this room. But anyway, share the love, not the hate. See my gloves? Anyway, my skin's so sensitive that I just didn't want to get these on my skin, even though it's just natural products. But anyway, that's the reason I have on gloves, because I wear gloves around the house when I'm cleaning all the time. But anyway, share the love, not the hate, and thank you for spending time with me in this video. I hope this helps you clean your mattress.